10 most useful electronic tools and their functions. As an electronics hobbyist or a beginner who's new to the world of electronics, imagine being able to diagnose and fix any electronic device that comes your way. With the right tools at your disposal, you can confidently tackle any project, from repairing an old radio to building your own custom circuit board. So the number one tool I will mention is the multimeter. A multimeter is an electronics tool that is used for measuring different electrical properties in a circuit, like voltage, current, resistance, continuity, diodes, and transistors. It helps in identifying if a circuit is working properly or not, which can be important in fixing problems. 2. Soldering iron. A soldering iron is a tool used to melt and apply solder, which allows electronic components to be joined together to create electrical connections. It's used in electronics for joining wires, soldering components, circuit board repair, and prototyping. 3. Soldering wire. Soldering wire is a metal alloy that is melted to join electronic components together, creating reliable electrical connections. It is used for soldering components onto printed circuit boards, repairing damaged circuits, wiring connections, and creating custom cables. 4. Desoldering pump, solder sucker. A desoldering pump, also known as a solder sucker, is a tool used to remove solder from electronic components or circuit boards. It helps remove components safely without damaging the circuit board, repair broken connections on a circuit board, and salvage components from old or broken electronics. 5. Breadboard. A breadboard is a tool used in electronics to prototype circuits without soldering. It's used for circuit design, educational purposes, testing components, and experimentation. Breadboards allow for easy modifications and adjustments to circuit designs, hands-on learning, and quick assembly and disassembly of circuits. 6. Wire stripper. A wire stripper is a tool used to remove insulation from the end of an electrical wire without damaging the conductor. It is used in electronics for preparing wires for circuits, circuit assembly, and repair and maintenance. Wire strippers ensure good electrical connections and reliable circuit operation. There are different types of wire strippers, including manual and automatic ones. 7. Screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool used to turn screws. It has a handle and a flattened tip that fits into the screw head. In electronics, screwdrivers are used to assemble and disassemble devices, maintain circuit boards, adjust components, and replace batteries. 8. Electrical tape. Electrical tape is a type of tape used in electronics to insulate and protect electrical connections and components from moisture and contaminants. It can also be used for color coding, repairing damaged wires, bundling wires for organization, and providing strain relief to cables. 9. Hot glue gun. A hot glue gun is a handheld tool used to dispense hot adhesive glue that is widely used in electronics for various purposes. It works by heating a solid glue stick and melting it to a liquid form, which is then dispensed through a nozzle on the gun. 10. Heat sink. A heat sink is a tool used to dissipate heat generated by electronic components in a circuit. It helps to cool down the components that produce heat and manage the thermal performance of electronic circuits to prevent damage and improve reliability. So now, I hope you have learned something useful from this video. You can now identify the above electronic tools. Please, if you think I gave you value in this video, please like, comment, share, and follow for more videos about electronics. Have a wonderful day. Peace and love.